The Office of the Chief Medical Examiner reports 929 deadly overdoses in 2024, and that's actually a 26% drop compared to 2023. Alicia Fox knew what she wanted to do with her future based on the events of her past.
I am somebody myself who was exposed to substance use at a young age via family members that I'm close to. Growing up, I'm seeing a lot of things happen to my family members that I didn't understand. And so I think part of my work was to help myself personally to also understand them better. I pursued that as a career so that I could be that support for the people who didn't know where to turn, didn't know what to say, didn't know what to do.
Now she serves the Greater Hartford region as a clinical supervisor for Root Center for Advanced Recovery, the largest treatment provider in the state. Every day, she and her team help 5,500 people who walk in the center's 14 locations.
This is the most rewarding career that I think anybody could have. I love the day-to-day coming in, supporting and helping people.
Fox says from her experience on the ground, the help is working. And new state numbers out Tuesday prove it, with 26% fewer overdose deaths in 2024 than 2023. Experts say the trend is encouraging, but there's still a long way to go in the fight against the opioid crisis.
Unfortunately, where all that information is really wonderful and we love to see the progress, the work is never quite done.
The report states fentanyl was involved in about 80% of those overdose cases, mostly mixed with cocaine. Overdose deaths soared back in 2016 when fentanyl first flooded the streets, peaking at 1,400 deaths in 2021. But since then, numbers have been steadily declining, and Fox hopes those numbers continue in the right direction as behavioral health specialists like her strive to save lives.
100% of these deaths were preventable. If we have better education, more awareness than what we're already doing, I would hope to see that number come down even further so that they're no longer isolating and they can get the support that they need.
Earlier this year, state leaders announced a nearly $60 million investment in the fight against the opioid epidemic. The money came out of a recent $50 billion multi-state settlement with pharmaceutical companies. In studio, Bridget Bjorlo, Fox 61.